seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off, and keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
We would like to be the first to welcome you to Dallas-Fort Worth, where the local time is 8:27. As a reminder, please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is off. Keep the aisle clear of all items. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and surrounding area to ensure you have all your belongings like cell phones, tablets, and chargers. When you open the overhead compartment, please be careful as items may have shifted in flight. If you do have a connection, the best way to get to the next terminal is to take the Skylink. You can find that by looking for the Skylink sign and following the orange banner. And we know you have a choice in airlines, so whether you're staying in Dallas or passing through, we thank you for choosing American Airlines to be a part of your journey. Have a great, safe night.